It is quite simple. People really hate meetings when they're a waste of time and when they're boring. So if you want people to actually love your meetings, focus on productive engagement. Productive simply means people feel that their time was used well. You need to have clear objectives and make intentional choices on what you want to do before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting to achieve these objectives. The cure for boring meetings is engagement. People engage when the meeting is interesting, interactive, and fun. Let me expand a little. Clear objectives include a shared understanding of why we are having this meeting, what are we trying to achieve with it, and how does success look like. With these objectives in mind, you should consider a number of things before you even schedule the meeting, starting with people. For example, who are the people who should join and why? What is their level of familiarity with the topic or support for any recommendations you're making? What do you think they would want to get out of this meeting? Similarly, you have to think through the appropriate content, the correct format, and all the process steps that lead to the meeting in order for you to achieve your objectives. In fact, much of what happens during the meeting depends on what choices you've made in anticipation. Maybe all you need is 5 minutes to prepare, but it will still make a difference. Moving on to engagement, to be interesting, the meeting has to be about something important, relevant, or new. It is interactive when people get to participate, have a back and forth exchanges, and are able to form and express their own point of view. Finally, for a meeting to be fun, people should be included and energized and feel that work is play. So, to recap, if you want people to love your meetings, you have to focus on productive engagement. You need clear objectives, intentional choices, and you need to capture people's attention with interesting, interactive, and fun experience. The easiest way to check if a meeting has been productive is to ask people at the end, how valuable was it for them? A simple poll with tally marks or voting dots would do. And an explicit discussion on how to make meetings better allows you to tweak your approach over time. While I love interactivity and gamification, and I often talk about it, those are a means to an end. People need to feel they have been productive.
I need productive engagement. We need to get stuff done.